The last 2 minutes of trade on Wall Street. Investors are glad when it's over. We pull back a bit. Look, we're off 1100, so we're just off the lows. Nasdaq is down more than 5%. It's the worst day since 2020. Tim's with me. Tim Tim Anderson from the New York Stock Exchange. It's been a while, Tim, but I'm glad that we're back together. Tim, I know the reasons behind today's fall and the worries behind it, but how deep is this going to go? How long have we got of this, do you think?
Well, I tell you, today is almost certain to be a 90% down volume day. That means down volume will be 90% of total volume. We haven't had one of those yet, despite the fact that the last 2 Fridays the Dow was down 1,000 points. It's almost certainly going to hit that threshold today. That typically is maybe the first indication that we're getting close to a buyable level for the markets. We could easily have a few more down days. I'm not saying that means that today's numbers are going to mean the low is in, but it means we're getting closer.
Why do you say that? Why do you say that?
Well, clearly, when we get a 90% down volume day, that's a sign of some capitulation in the market. Now, clearly, there's been a lot of selling in the market. We've had a lot of days where sometimes the market will go up very sharply in response to maybe something the Fed says or some other economic indicator or some feeling that maybe inflation, we've hit peak inflation, we don't know that yet. And then it'll go down the next day just as much as it went up the day before. That's what we're experiencing right now. Some investors might be a little bit spooked that tomorrow is Friday, and the last 2 Fridays the market went down, the Dow went down 1,000 points. I think you'd like to see the market go down another 1,000 points tomorrow, because then you'd be much closer to the bottom.
Tim, you use the word which we're going to talk about a lot over the next few weeks on this program, capitulation. That's the moment when basically, collectively, the market says, we're done. We're as low as we're going to go, and we're going to build this bottom to build it back up again.
That was March 23rd, 2020, in the depths of the pandemic. That was the capitulation day. March 23, 2020, the Dow got down to below 19,000. That's why I say we're not there yet.
We're not there yet.
We're not going down that far. But the number that I would look at would be the pre-pandemic high. The pre-pandemic high for the closing high for the Dow Jones Industrials just below 30,000, about 29,500. That's the number I'd look at if we have a couple more sharp down days.